Hey guys, what's up? Today we will learn what is the difference between very and much. As you know that both meaning are same, बहुत. But there is a question that one is when will we use very and when will we use much. Today we will learn it. So watch my video till end. First of all, we will learn about very. Very uses before present participle and much uses before past participle. Present means what is happening now, that is called present, and what did happen, that is called past. Very uses before present participle, and the example of very is it is very interesting poem. And the next one is the example of much is it was much instated poem. That is the difference between very and much. Thank you so much.